friends, Miss Doris here with your bedtime story. I'm going to need your help. Don't push the button. Written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice, though. I wonder what will happen if we pushed it. No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst. No one is looking. You should give the button one little push. Ah! Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Ah! Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Uh-oh. Shake the book to get rid of all of the extra Larrys. Almost. A little more. Okay. There we go. It says to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Let's scratch him. Hee hee, that tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe we could just do a couple more pushes. The end. Good night, friends.